Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel of Digital Marketing Software video. Today, I will show you how to spam a series of comments on Instagram. The software I will use is MKT Insta. The software will support you to manage unlimited Instagram accounts and have features that support you as interactive accounts. Automatic message sending, automatic posting, automatic comment thread support feature, data scanning features and features that support follow and scan account information. Here I will show you in detail how to set up the comment feature. First, you will choose the content. There are many options to help you comment. For example, by profile, comment the ID Reels, comment by post by keyword. I will comment here according to the profile. I already have a list of Instagram profiles to deploy for you. Next, you will set up the number of comments that you will run. Here, I will run each account running 3 articles and have a few more options depending on the needs of each person. You can be positive or not. Finally, you will select the Instagram accounts that you have added to the software. You will use these accounts to go spam comment advertising on the article of potential customers. That list is the steps to support you can be deploying mass comments automatically on Instagram. If you are interested in software, you want to advertise on Instagram and grow an account on Instagram, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp below the description. Thank you and see you in the next video.